Good day. This video will instruct you how to use the gradebook in Genzabar to record one grade that will be updated throughout the semester. The first thing you do is log into your course in Genzabar eLearning. Once there, click on Coursework and add an assignment. This assignment will be in the basic format, and you will want to name this current grade, and you can follow that by the date you'll update. The next time you update grades, you'll want to go in and change the name of that assignment to the current update. We'll use this example as an update for August 25th. You can leave the unit as Unit 1, and the type also will not matter when using this format. You must select a due date. You can use the end of the course, or you can specify a date. Go ahead and open the assignment immediately, and then select your grading scale, whether it's out of 100 points, or you can use the points method. For example, you could also use 1 through 5 for a 5-point grading scale. For this example, we'll use a grading scale of 100 points. Leave included in the final grade and show as soon as the grade is available. Save your new assignment. Now you'll see under Unit 1 in Coursework, you will have one assignment named Current Grade 825. Once you have your one assignment input, go into Gradebook. In the Gradebook, you'll see the final grade for your students listed. There are several options in the Gradebook that you may use. Select No for including a final attendance grade here. You may view the full gradebook, which will list your students and any assignment. For this option, we're only using the one assignment, and when you enter the grade, it will be reflected as the final grade as well. For the one grade option, you will not use the grade weighting system, but you will need to use the grade scale. If you click on the A at the top menu in the gradebook, your grade scale will open. You may use this default grade scale or change to a different grade scale. You can choose the grade scale settings, or you can choose a grade scale from one of your other courses. At this point, we'll use the example of ABCDF with plus or minus. Select the button to use this grade scale, and then select OK to overwrite changes. Now you'll see this letter grade configuration listed, and the first thing you need to do is get rid of the D- near the bottom. Click on that box that has that D- grade in it, and delete the grade with the link in the pop-up. Select OK. The next thing you need to do is make sure your grade scale rounds to where you want it to round. So for example, let's say that an A begins at a 92.5. Select the A and then designate the start of that grade. Then save. As you'll see, the A now starts from 92.5 and the A- ends at 92.49. Pay special attention to how you want your grade scale to round. Go through and do this for each grade to make sure that the scale is as desired and matches your syllabus. If you would prefer to use a pass-fail grading scale, you can also designate that in this letter grade configuration menu. Select Change to a different grade scale. Again, find the pass-fail option, use this grade scale, and select OK. Make sure that you have your starting passing grade designated, and when you go to enter midterm and final grades in the Genzabar EX system, you need to make sure that you are entering the correct grade as indicated by the grading scale for that class. So if you want to use pass-fail in the Genzabar gradebook, that's fine, but if the grades that have to be submitted are for midterm and final grades are A, B, C, D, F. You will need to make sure you submit those at that time. When you're ready to enter grades for students, you're going to go into coursework, select the current grade assignment. If you're going to update it, you'll need to select more and edit this assignment to change the date. And to grade your students, either use the full check mark on the left for 100, the red X on the right for 0, or the half-filled check mark in the middle to indicate anything else. We'll go ahead and select that check mark. We will give a grade of 95 to this student and select Save. If you go back into the gradebook, you will see that that student now has an A as their final grade. The student can look in their My NCWC course and see their current grade at any time. If you have questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day. Thank you.